I am at Famoso Drag Strip, and because I'm such a nice guy, I have rented out this entire track for over 100 cars. This is the only quarter-mile drag strip left in Southern California for street cars, and I've been coming to this track for 12 years now. The track is super sticky, and I'm looking forward to a really fun day. I got the C6 Z06 with me, and it is time to rip. I got the C6 Z06 with me today for tracking. It's gonna be super fun. Just installed recently the 91mm ported throttle body from Solar Performance. We just installed both the throttle bodies the other day. They're in there. The car felt really good on the street, but now it's time to put it on the drag strip and see what it does. Driving here to the track, I definitely could feel the extra power these throttle bodies gave me. It actually felt really solid, especially early in the morning. I pretty much come to the drag strip at least 3 times a year now, so this is my first time for this year. Let's just see how this thing goes. Racing has begun, and now it is time for me to bring my car out. There's been a lot of beautiful cars running so far, but yeah, time for me to get a little bit of running in with the C6 Z06. So let's see how I do on this first run. It's warm out here today. It's like 80 degrees, so it's pretty warm. The DA is, I don't even know where it's at, but it's like somewhere between probably 2,500 and 3,300. So it's not the best DA in the world, but we're just gonna see how we do. Alrighty, so I'm getting ready for that first run. This is my first run of the day. Like I said, it's pretty warm. You can see on here, it's 84 degrees outside right now. It's definitely not cold outside, that's for sure, but I'm gonna make it work. We'll see what we can do. You know, maybe I run great, maybe I don't. It's definitely warmer. Typically I like to run when it's like 60 or less, but hey, it's all good. We'll do my burnout. In order to do the burnout, you want to engage both the paddle shifts, hold the gas down while holding the brake, and then let go of the paddle shifts and burn out forward. So that's what I'm going to do to do my burnout. Burnout done. Now I usually keep it in manual mode. I'll put it back in drive, let the car shift itself for drag racing. No point in trying to shift things yourself and try to like think you're going to be faster than the computer, because you're not. I'm at 5,000 RPM, 5% slip. We'll see how it works. All right. I'm racing a Hellcat. Let's see how this went. The Hellcat started coming back, but he had jumped. That's all good. It's all good. Hopefully that was a good run. We'll see. Thank you so much. 10.53 at 128 with a 156 60 foot. So not a bad start. 10.53 for a warmer day. I'll take it. The DA isn't that great either. It's actually a solid start. I'll take it for a warmer day like this. I will definitely take it. Honestly, for my first run of the day, I will take it. 10.53 is not a bad way to start, especially on a warm day. Now, it is getting warmer, so my next run I'm gonna make will be warmer for sure, but we'll see if I can get just a little bit more out of it, maybe let the car cool down a little bit and see if we can knock down into the 10.4s on a warm. Now it's definitely 80 degrees. So right now I'm getting ready to run. I'm going to be going against a Turbo S. So I'm going against that white Turbo S right there. It's a Porsche Turbo S. So a lot of people claim that it's really fast. A lot of people say that the C6 Z06 cannot beat it. Who knows? We'll find out. I mean, the only way to really test that theory is to actually run them together and find out. So hey, I'm gonna throw my car at it and we'll see what happens. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm beating the Turbo S. Let's go. Let's go. Woo. Good run. Good run. I got out of there. Turbo S defeated. That was fun. That was fun. Fun run. It's 81 degrees outside. 10.56, so I got a little bit slower. My 60 foot was a little bit slower than last time. My 60 foot this time was 157. Last time I think it was 156. I had a 6.77 in the 8th mile. I had a 10.56 in the quarter mile at 128 miles per hour, 0.8. And that Turbo S went 11.03 at 134 miles per hour. So he definitely has more horsepower than me. How you know a car has more horsepower is by looking at the mile per hour. That 6 mile per hour difference shows that he has a little bit better gearing for top end speed and definitely more power for sure. The second run of my day just ran against a Turbo S. I gotta find them and figure out exactly what year, make, you know, all that stuff is, but the car ran good. Obviously didn't run quicker, but still right there in the 10.5s on a very warm day. It's 80 something degrees outside right now, so I'll take it. I mean, I'm happy. Like, the car is running well on a warm day, so you can't ask for more. Man, I wish we could tune these cars, because if we could tune them, we could really extract the power that these cars are making with these minor bolt-on mods that we're putting on it. But unfortunately right now, these cars cannot be tuned.
I feel like Kobe 24, you know I had to ice my wrist. I've been ballin' since a young, you know I had to stack my chips. Bending corners, 12 personas, know we had to take them risks. We in the field, we in the field, but I'm in the end zone, no I can't lie. Good as a friend, but she and her friends go look at the score. I'm sorry, little brother, you know you can't win. Like a knockout, I punch like take when I aim at his chin. So we in the back of the back, last name Dripper, so you know I get drippy. You ain't on my side, ain't on my team. Yeah, I'm running the city. Don't gotta ask if it's with me. Yeah, I play the block like a woman.
This fellow over here in the red car is in a C6 Grand Sport. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun one. His car has like heads, cam, all that stuff. He's already been in the 10-second club, so his car is not slow at all. All right, there we go. Woo! I'm out of there. Let's go. Let's go. He's not coming. Let's go. Let's go. Boom. That was fun. Look, man, that thing's beautiful. It sounds so good too. Oh man. I think he has an automatic transmission too as well when I looked inside. Yeah, I went 10.58, he went 11.07. Our 60 foots were close, 159, 164. So I mean, he did get out of there, but after that, you know, the power of the C8 Z06 just took over. Man, so that was a super fun run. It's really cool to kind of run the older generation Corvette, right? So looking at the C6 generation, beautiful car, gorgeous car. That particular one is making 450 horsepower to the wheels. It's lightened up, stripped out, so it's about 3,000 pounds. So the car is like 700-800 pounds less than my car, but obviously making probably about 150 or so less horsepower than mine as well. Actually a little bit more, probably like 180 less anyways. But yeah, power to weight, did it make sense? It made sense in this thing. He's an automatic too as well. Beautiful car, like I said, but we're able to get the win right there. It was super fun. In fact, I'm walking by that car right now. There it is. I'm gonna be running against a C7 Z06. He's stock, you know, but he has a drag radial on. Let's go. C7 Z06 gone. C8 gone. C8 Z06 for the win. Woohoo! Oh man, good times. C7 Z06 did not stand a chance, man. That was fun.
Half mile.
Oh my gosh. 10.58 at 129, so I did have a little bit more mile per hour. 60, everything's slowing down just a little bit, but like not a lot. So yeah, just because it's freaking hot. I mean, showing 86 right now. The C8 Z06 has took down another king. Racing against a C7 Z06 was pretty cool because I used to have one. I actually had one that was like fully built, and right after we did the final build on it, I ended up selling it to a guy that was in Texas, so he has it now. The car definitely has the power and the build for 8 seconds in a quarter mile, but I never got to run it finally. When it was making only 600 something to the wheels, I went 10.0 at 130 miles per hour. I think it was optimized to go fast, but to go race against another one right now with the C8 Z06 was kind of cool. I'm about to actually go make another pass here with the C8 HCAC. It's getting kind of light right now. You know, a lot of folks have made so many passes today, which is kind of cool. But yeah, we're about to send the car again and see what it does. All right, fairly right there. There you go. Didn't race anybody that time. Made a little pass. The temperatures are really hot outside right now. It's showing 89 on this thing. Thank you so much. Oh, 10.54, I went a little bit quicker. I was like going backwards. I was going to 10.58, all that stuff. Now I did a 1.56 60 foot, 6.76 eighth mile, which wasn't really great. 10.54 quarter mile ET with 129 mile per hour. So my mile per hour is getting better as the day goes on. So day is done. That was really, really fun. About to roll it in and out, get some food. I got my boy Ross right here. He's gonna be rolling in his Supra, right? So he's part of that Supra Mark V gang. You know me, C6 Z06. Listen to that thing. Listen, hold on. Let's hear this thing. Show us what you got. Okay, Ross. All right, I see what you got. That's not the C6 Z06, but it's pretty cool.
Full catback Tomei, race downpipe, and an upgraded charge pipe too.
Yep.
Pushing roughly 650 wheel.
Yep. And by the way, guys, he's actually doing a giveaway on this car. So this car you can win if you just go basically enter. In order to enter, make sure you just go to his Instagram page. It's Supra Ross 24. Go to the link in his bio. You'll figure out exactly what you got to do to enter this thing. But if you enter it, like you buy what you need to buy, enter the contest, whatever it is, you can possibly win this Supra right here. The giveaway stuff ends in like July. So like go do it like right now. If you want a Supra, even if you don't want it, just go try to win it. I mean, why not? Alright, day is complete. We just got to In-N-Out. It is time to eat. I know you all love In-N-Out if you live in California. I'm not from California, but it's one place I do like to come. But anyways, fun day. Drag race all day. Had a good time. Ran some pretty decent time. 10.5s all day. A ported throttle bodies, 91 millimeters. Worked really well. If you want some, make sure you use my code Jesse24 on the Solar Engineering website. Solar Performance makes these amazing throttle bodies and a lot of other stuff. Use the discount code so you can get your own discounts. Jesse24. That's what you got to look for right there. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. It was an amazing, fun day. The C6 Z06 continue to live.